Dear participants, very good morning and namaskar. At the outset, I extend my appreciation to National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chennai, Ministry of Human Resources Development, the Government of India for collaborating and inviting us to conduct a 6 days in-country program on web-based teaching and learning. I hope we would be able to share something that could stimulate the deliberations in the coming days. On behalf of CPSC, we highly appreciate and acknowledge the concern of all participating institutions of India for developing the new generation of employees and TVET workforce, which is associated to the trust in the growing importance for developing human resources through training and development by providing effective training of teachers in TVET, more particularly in relation to the profound economic and social transformations we are currently living through. We also share this belief. Globalization has created a new world order for doing business. Information and communication technologies have dramatically changed the way we live, learn and work, and even think about work. The synergy of combining globalization with new technology has had dramatic economic and social impacts. It has created new opportunities as well as new challenges and uncertainty. Many workers have been dislocated, while a significant number of young people are structurally unemployed or underemployed. Skills polarization between so-called mind or knowledge workers and unskilled law knowledge workers has widened the gap in income inequalities. Youth, women and older workers are the groups most affected. While these changes have brought about considerable challenges to TVET, they have created new opportunities for change and innovations. In the past, the status and condition of vocational education did not match the importance of its potential contribution to society. However, in this new environment where human capital has become the most critical element in achieving a competitive advantage, TVET can now aim to reach its full potential. The impact of information technology includes web technology, software or hardware tools on the overall teaching environment is becoming more pronounced. The ability to incorporate information technology into instruction has been deemed to be one of the most important professional competencies of teachers. Indeed, when used properly, information technology not only allows diverse ways for the presentation of materials, but also offers easy access to the wealth of resources available on the internet and is useful for developing learner-centered strategies and activities. CPSC, as an intergovernmental organization for the development of TVET in the Asia and the Pacific region, answered this call through this in-country program on web-based teaching and learning system. CPSC contributes to the raising of awareness necessary to put web-based teaching and learning system in TVET sector into practice. Since web-based resources are gradually promising factor for teaching and learning, and it lies at the essential of the TVET sector, it shall become the platform for participants in India to contribute to boosting human resources development in TVET, especially capacity building of lecturers and instructors through their occupations and other areas of their lives. As far as this program is concerned, it is 6 days program. It consists of 3 modules, namely Module 1, Introduction to Web-based Media Resources in Teaching and Learning, integrating multimedia and ICT in teaching and learning system, emergence of new web media resources in teaching and learning, issues and challenges in developing web-based media resources in TVET sector. Module 2, Rapid e-learning development using Adobe Creative Suite, understand and appreciate the value of Adobe Creative Suite as a tool in developing e-learning contents. Produce instructional, informational materials that cover basic and interactive presentations combined with recorded narrations and other rich media elements. Deploy the learning resources in learning management system ready packages. Module 3, Learning Management System with Moodle. Basic concept and characteristics of LMS, installation and customization of Moodle, e-learning content uploading to Moodle server, design and create quizzes. I hope that through this Inkhanti program we can gain more grounds in understanding web-based technology system for developing web-based instructional resources and effective teaching and learning system in TVET to produce skilled workforce for the world of work. Thank you.